Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making quick green beans with bacon. This comfort food makes a fast and delicious side dish. So let's get started. Cut 6 slices of bacon into bite-sized pieces. In a large skillet, add your cut bacon and 1 medium onion chopped. Now cook this over medium-high heat until your onions are translucent. Then add 4 14.5-ounce cans of green beans drained, 1 to 2 cups of chicken stock or broth, depending on how much liquid you want in your green beans, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir this together. Now bring this to a boil and cook this for about 2 to 4 minutes. And here it is, quick green beans with bacon. This is so easy to make and it tastes even better the next day. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Cut 6 slices of bacon into bit-sized pieces. Bit-sized. Bite-sized. Oh! I hit the zoom. Did that get it back?